Hey everyone, welcome back. We are recording again. That is
Yeah, yeah.
Bola.
I'm Shruti. This is Jojo. And
Yes,
we are here. I happy.
I know. We are happy. So we are recording every week and everything is spaced apart. So now whatever has released this past week, we're getting to it. And this one is Carnage by Bella. Bella's back. Bella's like dropping tracks left, right, and center. He's
Yeah,
what is happening? He's achieving young stunners consistency level. I'm just going to
it's
go there.
amazing.
I'm going to go there.
Yeah.
I know because that's not easy to even like try to get to. No?
Listen, but I'm excited though. Past few things of Bella's, like he's shown so much range and so like alag type variety that I'm like, wait a minute. Now every time Bella ka kuch gana aata hai, I'm excited. I'm actually like,
Same.
ab kya karega? Is bar
Mm.
kya hoga? It's very
So
interesting.
yeah, this one's on the F High Music channel again.
Okay.
Music by Bella and Patang. Patang. That's a cool name.
I like
Okay,
it.
I
Yes.
know. Lyrics and artist Bella, track Carnage. Let's just get into it. Let's see what he's doing.
Ready.
It's with Bella. You are excited to see the video as much as the hear the song because of
Yes.
his camera presence and everything. Okay, let's do it. One, two,
Hmm.
three, play. Oh, animated. Oh no.
Candy, you just lie to me every day. Candy to her date, make you want the late. I just minimize all my enemies. Candy, क्यों तू कर रहा खुद को elevate? I just realized they are candidates. Label मिलना चाहते मुझ पे any dates. Candy तू है crazy, मैं क्या तू भी same. Candy तू बस करता रहता मुझको blame. Candy, you just lie to me every day. Candy to her date, pick you out the late. I just minimize all my enemies. Candy क्यों तू कर रहा खुद को elevate? Golden chain, sexy tea, access 33. Texas paid, करी mistake, अभी मैं stage पे करे सब feel. करूँ मैं heal, never deny. मैंने यहाँ पैसा और सगे कमाए, बने जब किसे तो सफल है भाई. हिस्से में सभी के हंसल ही आए. Yeah, Candy used to mean. कर दो मुझको freeze. दिल ना तेरा तोड़ूंगी, बस दे दो मुझको keys. Candy on your knees, bitches in your dreams. जब से मैंने पीनी छोड़ी, तब से I believe. Yeah, out of my mind. कर दूं जब sign autograph, famous life. I'm paying price, I'm praying for your life. मैं क्या baby busy हूँ मैं Candy okay bye. मैं क्या what the fuck? Just lie to me every day. Candy to her date, pick you out the late. I just minimize all my enemies. Candy क्यों तू कर रहा खुद को elevate? I just realized they are candidates. Label मिलना चाहते मुझ पे any dates. Candy तू है crazy मैं क्या तू भी same. Candy तू बस करता रहता मुझको blame. Candy you just कहते रह गए हम ज़माने को. Yo, ये पन्ने नफरतों के फाड़ दो. मुझ पे वक्त नहीं, इनको देता fucks नहीं. नशे में डूबा रहता सारा दिन ही. Baby I'm a rockstar. Baby I'm a monster. Baby, I'm a rockstar. Baby, I'm a monster. Yeah. Baby, I'm a लिखता रहूं होमी के साथ में पता नहीं गलियों में कितने ही घंटे पैसा तो आता है बाद में उसके लिए कभी हम रैपर नहीं बनते रैपर तो बनते हैं बहुत पर रखते ये उतने ही ग्रजेस है मन में रखते ये उतने नहीं पंचेस है पेन में बेला का विजन इन लोगों को प्लान दे छोटे तू रहन दे क्यों रहता तू वैम में लीजन है फैन बेस देखे हैं बैड डेज अब पॉपुलर मेरा ये स्वैग I'm branded वन टेक बिना टिक टिक के आज ब्लू टिक लिया मैंने लिख लिख के वन नेम बना हिप हॉप में आज टिकटॉक वाले मुझे रील भेज रहे करा मैंने हासिल सब रहता हूँ फिर भी मैं हम्बल क्यों पीछे से करते ये टेस्ट पर मुंह पे मेरे होते फंबल क्यों इन्हें बख्शो तो मेरा नुकसान पालो तो बनते ये सांप कहते ये पहला के कानों में हेट है इन्हें भी कड़वी लगे ये जुबान डैम कहते रह गए हम ज़माने को यो ये पन्ने नफरतों के फाड़ दो मुझ पे वक्त नहीं इनको देता फक्स नहीं नशे में डूबा रहता सारा दिन ही baby I'm a rockstar baby I'm a monster baby I'm a rockstar baby I'm a monster baby I'm a
Oh, beat
Did-
change. That's what I was saying.
Did you feel like it was two songs in one song?
Yeah,
Like,
it
as though
was
we were
two
watching two-
songs, but I felt like it was Bella's Deja Vu with Bella's I'm a Monster.
well, well thought. Like, I like the parallels you're drawing.
I
Very nice.
honestly felt like they were those two songs redone and kind of mashed together with a slightly different beat.
And with a different, like, a visual.
Yeah.
So I didn't exactly feel that. Like, especially the first song. The
Mm.
first song, I didn't feel that. First song I quite liked. And what I specifically liked about it was the commercial value of it. Like, I heard it and I was like, you know how usually we keep talking about radio hits, like
Mhm.
songs which you can play on radio, and the moment you will hear it, you will like it, you'll enjoy it, you'll kind of jump along with it. That had that commercial value pat down. But would I listen to it without, like, did it get my energy going? Yes. But did I get anything out of it which was very, like, deep and meaningful? No. It was a very light, happy, whatever song, but I enjoyed it thoroughly. And then
Mm.
when the beat shifted and it went into that other song,
Mm.
I was lost. I was lost because एक semblance होती है ना कि अगर एक गाना है, even if it's two very drastic ones, there needs to be something common which is going from one to another, even if it's two drastic beats, right? So to my sensibility, that felt like a little bit of a dhakka. I was like, एक minute, and I had to, like, kind of start absorbing it all over again, and वो नहीं हुआ मुझसे. So I liked it maybe separately as a track, लेकिन first track का जो feel finally established हो गया था ना, the moment that song shifted, suddenly I was lost. I was like, okay. So I like the first half much better than that post the song shift.
Mm.
And then when it came back to the first song ka beat, I was like, no, now I can't go back to that feeling again. Like, I can't bring it back again. तो मैं थोड़ी
Ew.
confused हो गई.
हाँ.
Really confused.
I mean, first time
But
listen to it, I'm guessing once you listen to it a couple times more, it may just because you kind of know what to expect. But that's a very fair sort of
Yeah.
after first listen feeling. I thought when I was listening to the first half, Kendi says, Kendi, you know, like the whole flow and the vibe of the song, it completely for me was like, okay, this sounds like Deja Vu because I was getting ready for our recording while listening to Deja Vu. So it's very fresh in my mind right now. And I was like, this is like Deja Vu part 2. It kind of, you know, it's like a continuation. I felt that. I'm not saying he's just
Right.
redone his song, but it just had that vibe. And even
Hmm.
the flow was kind of similar. And then,
Right.
so I was like, haan, theek hai. I wasn't loving it, but I was enjoying it. And then the beat switched. And then I liked the switch. And I generally like beat switches when done well. Because they completely take you by surprise and, you know, they can either go really well in the right direction or they can go really wrong. I feel like this was it went well. It didn't like disturb me, and I was just like, oh, nice. And I really liked his voice change. The main thing I
That I
loved
liked.
about this track was the way he changed his voice in both the parts of the
Correct.
song.
Correct.
Because we have kind of seen the harder hard hitting songs of his, but this voice I don't think I've heard before in them. It was much deeper, you know, and it was much like, I felt like bassier maybe, or like, I don't know, something was very different about it. So I really like that. This is why I'm saying I felt like it was two of his tracks I won't say remix, just redone and like
Similar zone wale
recreated
tracks of his, which we've,
recreated in a
heard
different
before.
manner and kind of well. So I felt like I was getting very strong I'm a Monster, and the other, what was the other one from the this one album, Home album, I can't remember right now, but we've seen that vibe of his, and I felt like it was kind of on those lines. So it was nice as a package to have both the vibes in one song. That's what I'll leave it at. You know, I don't have to listen to Deja Vu separately and then I'm a Monster separately. I just listen to this song and say, okay, dono vibes ka maza mil gaya. So yeah, I mean, and the guy's got camera presence for sure. We keep saying that. He was full on dancing in this one. Like, he was just doing the moves. You know?
Feels, and I like the whole you know, Purana plane. And then, of course, wherever it was, वो खिड़कियों में से पीछे दिख रहा था. So I was just like, I was more interested in कहाँ पे खड़ा है, like क्या है पीछे. So all that was also going on. So yeah, interesting.
I like the VFX. You know how the plane would melt away, and then other things would melt away and things like that. It was nicely done. I am I didn't love a lot of the lines in the song. I think you know which ones I mean. But
I think everyone knows by now what you mean.
It's just personal preference, that's all. So yeah, other than that, good vibes, good vibes. I'm just appreciating the consistency that he's
Yeah.
bringing to the table, because
Correct.
we haven't heard any song that we didn't like. Even this week,
Yeah.
like, I like it.
Yeah.
I
I also
don't,
like it.
yeah,
There's
I
a
don't,
good feel.
yeah, I didn't love it like the rest of the songs, but I like it. It's a good vibe. If it plays great, a radio
Yeah.
edit of it could even play on the radio. It's
Yeah.
got that commercial sort of value to it as well.
Yeah.
So lovely, yaar.
Yeah, but I hear you that it's not something new. Like we've gotten, I guess, spoiled by listening to something new from Bella every time a new song comes. And this time around, this wasn't something new, which we're used to. This was in his own feel, like how so beautifully you've picked two songs and said, ye dono feel ka hai, while we were expecting maybe like a new sound from him. So
Yeah.
in that sense, it was a little disappointing. Okay, like kuch naya. But then this was on its own, it's a good track. Like, you know, it was a fun listen. So yeah.
Yeah,
Very nice.
exactly. So let
I
us
look forward
know
to
what
next.
else. I think there's another track he released before this one. I don't know. If you
Acha.
guys know, let us know. Drop me a DM. Um, what else? Check out Ms. Bola's
Tuk-tuk-tuk.
website.
Yes,
Yeah.
thank you very much. And like,
Take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.
bye.